This morning during opening statements, both sides agree that it's been a horrific experience for Erin Andrews since those recordings were taken and uploaded. But when it comes to whether or not the West End Marriott should be held accountable, that's where the common ground ends.
You're on the internet without any clothes on. Do you know that? And she just totally comes apart.
Erin Andrews wiped away tears and held her head down as her attorney described the moment she found out that not only was she recorded inside a Nashville hotel room without her knowing it, but that video was going viral.
Erin has fought her way through a lot of humiliation.
In 2008, while Andrews was in Nashville to cover a Vanderbilt football game for ESPN, Michael Barrett reserved the room next to hers, modified the peephole, and then recorded her changing clothes. He had done it at other hotels in other states, too. He first tried to sell the videos, and when that didn't work, he uploaded them to the web. Barrett, who is also being sued, is not in court. He was convicted of stalking Andrews earlier. But the hotel's attorneys made sure the jury knew he is at the center of their defense.
This is a story about a serial stalker, an individual by the name of Michael Barrett.
The hotel claims Barrett found out Andrews' room number by using an internal hotel phone and then convinced the front desk to put him next door. The first witnesses' testimonies were pre-recorded. The jury heard from the woman who actually made the reservation for Barrett, a former Marriott International employee.
So if Michael Barrett called you and said, I'm a friend of Erin Andrews and she's staying at the hotel, you would give that information?
Yes.
The second was a former Nashville Marriott employee who testified they don't give out hotel information. Throughout, Andrews listened, at times wiping tears, at others shaking her head. During the course of this trial, we're expecting to hear from psychologists and psychiatrists who attorneys tell us will testify that Andrews is impacted by possibly PTSD. And her lawyer says it's an ongoing issue because that video is still getting hits on the internet. At the historic courthouse in Nashville, Joseph Pleasant.